This video extending the Windows 11 series, I will be showing 11 tips and tricks to the just released Microsoft Windows 11 22 H2 updates that was rolled out recently. This video will show you new features and lots of updates and improvement to the existing window capabilities coming up next on Techtinge. So let's get started. The first new feature is a start menu improvement. Here in Windows 11, I will click on the start button. The first thing I will do is drag an app onto the another one that will create a folder. So I will drag Microsoft apps to create a folder like Excel, Mails, Words, etc. and give it a name Office app. And I can give it a name Office apps so that lets you just organize things a bit better inside of your start menu. Another update to the start menu is more flexibility is recommended versus the pin area. So if I open the settings here, the Windows key and then type settings. So let's open the setting app, go to the personalization and then choose start. There is some new option here. You have the default for your layout, but if I want to have more pins, we will open up the start menu and see what that look like. Now I have more pinned area and less recommended, or I can set to more recommendation. If I open the start menu, there is a more recommendation space and less pinned area. So you have a couple of new options to give you more flexibility in your start menu. The second new feature is improvement to the Windows Explorer. So I have Explorer open here and you are gonna see in the upper left a new home area, and this just brings together and organize a lot of concept in the Windows Explorer to make it easier to find things. So download desktop document in the quick access area. I'm gonna to add one folder OBS in the quick access. So let me do that. Now it is visible. Then there is a favorite and you can ping things here, and then recently access file, and you can also add your files to the favorite, and it is showing it is saved on Microsoft OneDrive. Similarly, you can add or delete files from recent. Another significant changes is that now we can enjoy the multi-tab feature in the File Explorer itself by Ctrl+T to open a new tab and Ctrl+W to close a new tab. And if you click on the ellipsis and go to the option, you can change path of Open File Explorer to like Home or this PC, and under the Privacy section you can under the privacy section you can control reset and frequently used files shown in the File Explorer. The third new feature is snap layout. We introduced this in the original Windows 11. If I hover mouse on the maximize and minimize icon on any window, I get this little snap layout that lets me arrange my window. It is really nice and easy. You just choose the layout for the apps and click on it, and the apps will be fitted in that layout. Let me experiment with which layout works best for my window. In this case, I want to go for Snaps layout on my screen with Firefox, MS Word, Notepad and File Explorer. I can do change layout as much as I want on my window. If I want to drag my Word window and just put it right here again, I can reorganize super fast and easy. The fourth new feature is rotating spotlight photos for Windows desktop. So I have applied the custom window theme, but I am gonna to open settings. Now choose personalization on the left hand side, open up background, and now drop down personalize your background. There is a new option, Windows Spotlight. So what this will do is to grab a really cool photo and rotate it on your desktop every day. So if you don't have to really do anything, kind of like Bing has a new images every day, Windows desktop well now has these features now. So let's see what this one look like. So this is really nice. So I can switch to the next picture by just clicking on this camera icon. So once you enable this Windows Spotlight, so this camera icon will be available on your desktop and you can switch to the next picture. I like it. I am not a fan of this picture. I actually like this picture, so I am going to switch to the next one. Let's try this. So it is very awesome. So we have lots of option to play around all sort of different backgrounds in Windows. So the fifth new feature is the pre-installation of Clipchamp, a free window video editor that Microsoft acquired about a years ago, and now it is pre-installed with Windows 11 and you can use it. So if I go to the start menu, you will see Clipchamp pre-installed right here, and you can also just search for top and it will launch Clipchamp. Then you can sign up. If you never signed up before, you can use your Microsoft account or Google or Gmail. I use my Microsoft account. So but what is really great is the lots of different features and template, and easy to use and easy to get started with lightweight video editing that will still let you make beautiful types of video. I'm not going to deep a dive demo here. I already made a tutorial video of this Clipchamp earlier. Click on this card or click in the description to see more details about this, how to use this Clipchamp. The sixth new feature is the do not disturb mode improvement. Now, if I want to go to the lower right and set my computer to say, don't bother me, I am busy, don't give me pains and notification. And this is a really nice place right here in the little Z button with the bell and the Z. Do not disturb is off. I want to turn this on. So what this says, I'm gonna to see the banner for priority notification and alarm. So let me turn this on. So when I go to the system and notification, I can set the priority notification, and this priority notification will be visible to me when I am working on this do not disturb mode is on. And I can also customize the notification for these, and let me add the notification if my laptop battery is getting down. So this is how I can choose the priority notification, and I enable this priority notification if I am in the do not disturb mode. So if I want to turn this off, I have to just go to this little icon, and I have to just uncheck this, so it is turned off. Now moving to the sound feature, focus mode improvement. So this was previously called Focus Assist in Windows 10. So in the lower right, I'm just gonna to click here. I am ready to give some focus time to work on a project. So you can set the amount of time. You can, and if I open the UI, so it turns out that there is no notification on the little bell with the and I am also in the do not disturb mode. I want to expand this focus session, and this is the UI, and I can see the countdown time for this session, and it is only showing that I already completed 2 minutes. And I can also create this focus session for Spotify, and if I want to sync this Microsoft account, I can sync this, and if I want to turn this off, I have to just click on this and this focus session. So this is how this is working. The 8th new feature is the really powerful for accessibility and anyone who needs live caption, and this is live caption are now built in natively in Windows 11. So any video or even video content when you are talking can be captioned across window, and I am gonna show how to do this right now. So open up the start menu and go to the setting and go to the left and choose accessibility, and scroll down. You are gonna see caption under this hearing, and here is the theme preview. This will be important as we try out new different style, but the by default live caption is off. There is also a shortcut. By the way, you can also press the window key plus control plus L to turn them on with the shortcut, and I will check this on. So let's go. So I have played this my video, and now we can see the caption is generated by this video. We can also customize the text, font, and background. If we click on the edit under caption style, we can customize the text color, background color, and window, font, and choose opacity. The other thing is that we can also set up our microphone to what you speak. So let's say I am on a screen session or I am in a meeting where I am doing the screen session. If I go here, I am going to choose the caption option. I am gonna say include microphone audio, and now I am speaking, I am talking in the Microsoft, and it will start captioning right here on the screen. So now I'm directly connected to this microphone and I am speaking through this microphone, and it will be useful when you are doing a Zoom session or team meeting so that you can allow your viewer to see the caption generated by these features. So this is how this live caption is working. So this is very handy and very useful. The ninth new feature is voice control improvement. Windows has made some major updates, so you can completely control your PC just using your voice. So open up settings right here on the left hand side, choose accessibility, and now scroll down to speech right here, and we will click on it. There is an option right here, voice access, and we are going to turn this on. The first time you use it, you have to hit the little I agree right here, and you have to go through some tutorial to use it, but I have already gone through that. Now you can get the different option by clicking on this gear icon, like selecting the microphone manager option, turning off voice access. So in order to use it, first we have to activate voice access by speaking loud voice access wake up, then voice we can give the supported commands.
Show numbers. Click on 42. Show desktop. Open Firefox. Scroll down. Scroll down. Go to VLC Media Player. Close VLC Media. Close Firefox. Open.
So if I click on this question mark, I can see tons of different commands, and I am not gonna to show all them today. I just showed a few things, so you have to go through this long list and you can use all this command in your voice access control. The 10th new feature is another powerful accessibility feature. Narrator is a screen reading app that is built into Windows 11. So there is nothing you need to download or install. You can start using apps, browsing, and web and more. So let me show you how can you enable it. Going to the setting and accessibility and scroll down and click on Narrator. And after that you can choose a new voice, add natural voices. This uses the natural text to speech, the really human sounding high quality voice, and you can use the Microsoft Aria for this narrator. So let's
scan narrator heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use the information to navigate your device. To start or stop Narrator, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Enter. Exiting Narrator.
The 11th new feature is update to our old friend, the task manager. So I will do Windows key plus X. We are going to launch the task manager right here, and you will see a newly redesigned and refreshed task manager, and the most updated thing is on the left hand side. You will see some nice little icons here like processes, performance, app history, startups app, user details, and services. In the main window you can really run a new task, so click on that and it will be ready to run your task. So you can even select certain apps like let me choose the Notepad++ in this case, and run this in the efficiency mode. So, and this will turn on efficiency mode for specific apps that you want, and you can still see performance and app history and some of the other things that you would like to look at. And once the app is running in the efficiency mode, you can see the two leaves in the status, and you have got a nice set of options to choose for task manager in terms of how it starts up. So what is the default page? Maybe you always want to see the performance the first time you turn on the task manager. So there is a lot of things that you can explore in the updated task manager, but my favorite new feature of task manager in terms of snazziness has got to be the dark mode, because now task manager support dark mode. So let me open up the settings and go to the personalization, and let me choose the dark theme here. Oh, that's really nice. So let's close close look at this task manager. It is looking very cool in this dark mode. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and tell me in the comment section which Windows 11 feature you like most. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell notification not to miss any future notification for tech and software related videos.